All right, little one. Tuli has sent you a gift, and you get one of these. Of course, you won't understand it until you're older, but you're going to get one of these with every toofies. But for now, we'll just give you the whole bag, and your mama and daddy can sort it out. Here you go. Here you go.
She's automatic.
Here, sweetie.
And yours.
Do you want it? She got the dirty nose from playing with daddy today. She's like, what is that? What is that, sweetie? Oh. There's that big smile. There are 20 of those coins in there. One for each baby tooth.
Oh, there she goes. Look at that.
Yes. What do you think, sweetie? All right. Oh, that's so cool. Say thank you, Tuli.
There it goes.
Say thank you, Tuli. All right, Dad. You got to give her one every time she loses a tooth.
Oh, she was waving. I can do that.
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. You want to say bye-bye? There you go. There you go. I love you. I love you, Goody. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to The Journey. Well, it's been a pretty good week. We've got new members to the channel. We did reach a heck of a milestone, so it's time to start a giveaway. This past week has been pretty good all around. I have got somebody new hired for work. They're going to start their training this weekend, so hopefully, finally, I might have somebody take care of that weekend shift, and I can start having my Saturdays again. I did finally get my furnace set up so I can get to doing a silver pour, and that is what this is here. This was a custom mold that I had made with my logo in it, and we did try and do a pour on this, but it did not turn out to be the greatest thing. As you can see here, the detail just isn't there. But in that video down in the comments, I did get a comment from Silverpunk. And he told me, hey, try heating up the mold a little bit more. And at the same time, I'm going to heat up the furnace a little bit more too, to thin down the silver. And with the mold here getting even hotter, it should be able to accept things a little bit better. So we'll give this one more try and see how well it pours. But still, even though that might work a little bit better, the detail just isn't in there, so I'm not expecting much from it. But after that is said and done, we're going to be making some changes to that mold. I did get a great idea from Tuli. At first she was like, well, if you need to, put some casting sand on the bottom of it, smooth it out, and maybe we can have a nice flat surface that we can do stamping on. And then just out of the blue, she messaged me and says, hey, you can use your Dremel and just grind it down flat inside. And actually, that's a fantastic idea. I do have a press that I can put things in to keep everything steady and smooth. So we might give that a try. And if we can get that down nice and smooth, I will still have that shield shape, and I can do some custom pours and do stamps by hand to customize it. So I am looking forward to get that done. Just a quick side note, the flu has been going around my family. My son and his household, and that does include my granddaughter, my niece and nephew and their daughter. They've gotten over it now, but it's, like I said, it's pretty strong in my son's house right now. So if you can, send a little prayer for their healing. They are starting to get better, and I'm really thankful for it. I'm definitely going to be continuing to send prayers, and I hope that you all can help out with that and send some prayers as well. I do want to thank all my new channel members. We are up to 11 members in the channel now. It's absolutely amazing to open up my YouTube studio and see that there's another member up there. I do really appreciate you all. You're fantastic. And I do apologize. I haven't gotten a whole lot of stuff out. I have done a few. We are working on that custom image for the channel membership poker chips. I do have to say I'll be putting out an update for that tomorrow. but it's actually not going that well. We might actually have to start over from scratch, but I'll get y'all's opinion on that, and we'll see how that goes. I really want to get that done so that we can get the new poker chips ordered that are just for the channel members. So I really look forward to having that out. So look for that tomorrow. I have had folks recently comment on my pocket piece videos and ask me about the voting, and I do voting for new pocket pieces every couple of weeks, and there's actually a vote going on right now, and these here are the 4 pieces that are being voted on. We've got a little glare on one here. That's the Odin piece, but in the far lead right now, there's 126 votes so far, and the American Silver Eagle, the toned one there, is the one that's way in the lead with like 40% of the vote. But if y'all want to help me to decide on what pocket piece I'm going to carry for the next 2 weeks, go over to my community tab, and you can put in your vote as well. I recently got in a letter from the Stack Collector over in the UK. A couple of weeks ago, I did win one of his races on his live stream. And actually, I've won it a couple times in the last month or so. And so he did send stuff over. As you can see here, we have his channel poker chip and his sticker. We also have the poker chip from Stacker Social and that sticker. And then also we have a sticker here from CY Sterling. And CY Sterling also sent this copper piece as well. Like I said, I've already won this giveaway, so I actually kind of feel bad for winning it again. So I'm actually going to be paying this forward in a giveaway as well. So if any of you are a regular viewer of the Stack Collector, and you like to watch his videos and his live streams, and you want a chance to win this stuff, comment down in the comment section below and let me know that you are an avid watcher of his and you would be interested, and I will add you into a little giveaway that I'm going to do next week to give this all to pay all this stuff forward to one of you. A very exciting thing happened over the course of this last week, and that was hitting 2,000 subscribers. I never expected for this channel to go anywhere, and to see it now at over 2,000 subscribers is absolutely mind-blowing. You all are absolutely amazing. I love having you all on this journey with me. It's been fantastic for the past year and some change, and I'm really looking forward to seeing what the future brings. But what that means is it's time to do a giveaway. I was not able to do my 1,500 subscriber giveaway as we spent so much time waiting for that mold to come in. And now that it's here, it still didn't turn out too well. But we're still going to do a custom giveaway or a custom pour giveaway for the 2,000 subscriber. But at the same time, since we didn't get the 1,500 subscriber done, we're going to do some extra giveaways as well. So if you want a chance to be a part of this giveaway or a chance to win something from this giveaway, go down in the comments section below and put in a comment that says "The journey continues." That will be your entry phrase to get into this giveaway, and we're going to be giving away a few things. First off, I am going to do a custom pour stamped for the 2,000 subscriber giveaway. And I will be using this mold. It'll be after it's smoothed down so that we can do our own custom stamping on it. So we'll get that done. But at the same time, we're also going to be giving away a 2024 Kookaburra. Anybody who follows this channel knows I am all about the Australian Kookaburras. So it's just fitting for me to give one of these away. This is the brand new one, as I said, 2024, from the Perth Mint. Wonderful coin. It's a great addition to any collection. Another thing that I'm going to be giving away is going to be this Captain America. This is a 1 ounce coin, and it is from Fiji 2021. Some folks might think I'm crazy for giving this away, but that's okay. This is going to be going to one of you. So remember, if you want to be part of that giveaway, leave a comment down below saying "The journey continues," and you will be entered. I'll do the drawing for that and probably a live stream, and we'll do that in a couple of weeks. And so until then, we'll start gathering those comments. I did not get to go to many of the coin shops this week. I only got to go see Mr. Warren, and that almost didn't happen as well. But my nephew did cover the store for me long enough on Saturday for me to go see Mr. Warren. Mr. Warren's wife did reach out to me via email to let me know about a surprise birthday party they were doing for him. It was his 90th birthday back on the 9th. She didn't know how to get a hold of me, but luckily she did find my YouTube channel and found my email right there, and she was able to reach out. And I'm so thankful for it. I was very happy to be invited. I did not get a whole lot of videos or pictures from the party itself. I'll show you a little clip here. He did have several folks there, friends and family, but I didn't want to have a camera in everybody's face when it's just a family event and not so much a public thing. But I do have to say thank you to all of you that did send him birthday wishes. I did tell him about them and read them to him. And at the birthday party, he was telling folks how he was getting birthday wishes from all over the world, from Australia and Great Britain and just all kinds of different places. And he made sure to tell folks, and it was wonderful to see the shine on his face when he was telling it. So it really does mean something to him to hear from all of you. And I thank you all for your kind words and happy birthdays to him. But that morning I did go to his shop, and I was there to pick up a piece of silver, of course, and to say hello. And he did have one in there that I wasn't going to leave without, and that was this piece from SD Bullion. This is their anniversary piece from 2022. I actually bought one of these last year for my mother, but I was unable to get one for myself. So finding one in his shop was awesome. I really don't remember what I paid for it. It was either $29 or $30. I'm pretty sure it was 30 because spot was around 28 to 28.50, somewhere in that neighborhood. But yep, I'm absolutely thrilled to have it. We did get to talk for a little while, a couple hours, and right before I was heading out, he had something he wanted me to see. And it was a couple more pieces of silver that I just could not turn down. Again, I only had the intention on buying one piece of silver, but I ended up leaving with 3. He had these 2 silver 1-ounce Legos, and these are from Monarch Precious Metals. Again, he sold these to me at Bullion, so it was either 29 or 30. I'm pretty sure it was 30 if I remember correctly, but I absolutely love them. I have seen these before. I've just never been able to get my hands on one, so being able to get 2 of them is an absolute treat. But after his birthday party, I did have to go to work. I was not able to stay for very long. I was there for about 30 to 45 minutes. And like I said, I did need to get to work. Of course, I went to work, handled what I needed to do. And on Monday, I did pop back by to help him do some setup, because what I had gotten him for his birthday was a bunch of stuff for his jewelry displays. And I wanted to help him get it all set up. I was there for maybe about 20 minutes or something like that, 20 or 30 minutes. And on my way out the door, he stopped me, and he wanted to give me a gift. And he told me that, you do good for others and it comes back to you. And I kind of argued with him for about 5 minutes. Mr. Warren, you need to let me pay you for this. Please don't give it to me. Please let me pay you for it. And he just insisted. And it is a 2024 Britannia. I'm actually been working on a tube of Britannias, but because of the milk spotting, and there's someone here, I tend to shy away from them now because the milk spotting can get pretty crazy. But either way, it's still an amazing gift. And to add this to my collection as a gift from him is fantastic. This is absolutely going to be in my stack forever. This is definitely deep stack. But that's what I picked up this week. I do plan on doing another silver pour here in the next few days, and we'll see how that goes. I will put out a video for it, but I have no real expectations for it. So whatever happens, happens. But I am going to be doing several other pour videos on a regular basis now that I got my stuff set up again, and hopefully I will have my weekends back, or at least my Saturdays. So keep your eye out for that, and I'll get that stuff out as soon as I can. But I do thank every one of you for taking a couple minutes to watch this video. And if you like the video, remember to like and subscribe and comment down below. And let me know what you think about how things have been this week for me and the pieces that I've gotten in. And what do you think about the giveaway items for the 2,000 subscriber giveaway? I'm going to be doing something else. I haven't decided yet. We'll get that figured out. But if you're interested in any of these, like I said, comment down below. The journey continues. But until next time, remember to follow along on my silver journey. We'll see you in the next one. God bless.